Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Irradiance sensors, small, precise, and incredibly powerful. They're your solar plant's eyes, capturing the intensity of sunlight hitting your panels in real time. But here's the truth. Without accurate irradiance data, you can't truly know how well your system is performing. In this episode, we'll uncover how irradiance sensors turn sunlight into insight, and how this data helps you boost energy yield, detect problems early, and maximize ROI. Super Episode 2. Inside the Irradiance Sensor Network. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is irradiance? Irradiance is the power of solar radiation received per unit area, usually measured in watts per square meter. It tells you how much sunlight your panels are getting right now, not yesterday, not last month, this very moment. In solar energy, understanding irradiance is everything. It's the baseline against which performance is measured. If you know how much sunlight is available, and how much electricity your system should produce under those conditions, you can spot underperformance instantly. And that's where irradiance sensors come in, translating the invisible sunlight into real numbers operators can act on. There are several types of irradiance sensors used across solar plants, each with different accuracy levels and applications. The most accurate and honestly the most widely used device is the pyranometer. It measures global solar irradiance, that means both direct and diffuse sunlight, using a thermopyle sensor placed under a glass dome. Pyranometers are really perfect for high-precision monitoring and those all-important performance ratio calculations. Then there's the reference cell, which is usually made from the same material as your solar panels, most often silicon. It's designed to mimic the panel's behavior, providing a direct comparison between irradiance and output. And finally, we have silicon sensors. They're compact, low cost, and honestly great for quick installations, though they're a bit less precise when it comes to measuring under diffuse light. Each sensor type plays its role, and choosing the right one really depends on your site size, climate, and what you want to achieve with your monitoring goals. So, here's how it works. When sunlight strikes the sensor, it converts radiant energy into an electrical signal that's proportional to the solar power received. This signal is then digitized, transmitted, and logged into your monitoring system or SCADA dashboard. Data is recorded every few seconds, giving you a minute-by-minute insight into how your system interacts with the sun. This precision allows operators to make smarter, faster decisions, like, identifying inverter drops, shading patterns, or even cloud impacts in real time. Let's see how this data actually helps in the field. Imagine your irradiance sensor shows 950 watts per square meter, a strong sunlight level, but your system output is 15% below expected. That tells you something's wrong, maybe soiling, partial shading, or a malfunctioning string. With irradiance data, you can isolate issues fast, instead of, inspecting every panel. Advanced systems even use real-time irradiance data to adjust solar trackers automatically, ensuring panels are always at the optimal tilt and orientation to capture maximum sunlight. In one plant, irradiance-guided tracker control improved daily energy yield by over 5%. That's the power of data-driven optimization. Like any precision instrument, irradiance sensors need regular maintenance to stay accurate. Dust, bird droppings, and temperature changes can all skew readings, and inaccurate data means wrong decisions. Most operators calibrate pyranometers every 1 to 2 years, depending on manufacturer guidelines. A properly calibrated sensor ensures your performance ratio calculations remain reliable. It's really the difference between accurate monitoring and misleading metrics.
Calibration is like tuning your car's speedometer. If it's off, everything you measure downstream will be off too.
Irradiance data becomes even more powerful when integrated with AI and SCADA systems. AI algorithms can learn from irradiance patterns to predict output fluctuations, detect anomalies, and even forecast production based on real-time weather updates. With IoT connectivity, irradiance sensors continuously feed cloud-based platforms, giving O&M teams access to live performance metrics from anywhere in the world. It's not just data collection anymore, it's intelligent, predictive, and proactive performance management. Let's look at a real-world example. A 50-megawatt plant in Rajasthan implemented dual pyranometer arrays, one for horizontal global irradiance and another for plane-of-array irradiance. By using this data to fine-tune cleaning schedules and tracker positions, they saw a 4.8% increase in annual yield, equivalent to powering an additional 1,500 homes every year.
The irradiance data told us exactly when our panels were losing efficiency. Instead of cleaning by routine, we cleaned by data, and the results were immediate.
Irradiance sensors are more than just sunlight meters, they're the intelligence behind solar optimization, so the next time your plant outperforms expectations, remember, both sides of sprains, and Unblindenderdel. It all starts with a sensor capturing a single ray of sunlight. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.